Getting higher and higher and higher and higher. That's why with this machine, I've saved so much money during this inflation times. With this machine, I've saved a tremendous amount of money because it's $2.38 an ounce.
$1.38 to $2 an ounce.
Yeah. So with that, I mean, that's helping me make money too, and that's coming into my revenue. Because as a business person, I'm always thinking about how to maximize my income throughout the day. And if that's going to do it, I'd even look into going to China to start ordering my colors.
Di frente al Gran Centro.
Body sculpture, facial rejuvenation. And then have a mini gown there. Then short. Everything this is whatever. She's recording her own. Look at this. She's holding her phone. My face is very dry. I'm getting this button first. Excuse me. Excuse me. You guys are doing this free? Doing this free. Okay. If I want, is there in a write a name? Sorry. any person in front of me, or I can go after her.
In 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Back after
It's
1
first
hour?
come, first serve, so you have to come back.
Okay, I will come after
Yeah,
1
yeah.
hour. Because I'm from the press. I'm from the press.
She can. Oh, okay.
Okay, my skin is very dry.
No problem. She'll handle it. So
Okay,
when you're
so I will come back after.
In pain, it's a little uncomfortable. What you can do post-seed peel is you can take like a little hand. You can fan the client at any time to kind of bring some calm. After it's been on for about 2 minutes, that number will go down. It starts to calm. To continue your question, no, I want to make sure I get all of the questions. Our C serum, the C filtrate is actually, the C stands for cytoserum, or what some people say cetoserum. It is the liquid plasma or Laminaria digitata. Laminaria digitata is our primary seaweed that we use throughout the entire line. And the reason why we use that liquid plasma of seaweed is because it's the closest thing in that actually matches our human plasma. One of the things that Lydia Sarfati says is that I absolutely love is give the skin everything that it already possesses. Our skin, in its healthiest form, possesses all of these nutrients, the similar nutrients in the seaweed. So you have trace elements, you have minerals, you have vitamins. Everybody always wants to know about a vitamin C product, which is to each their own. But this one is one of the vitamins. Vitamin C is one of the vitamins that are in the serum. It's actually kind of, because it goes throughout the line, it's like some people refer to it as our chicken stock, or I like to refer to it as the core product in the entire line. So anything that you're adding to that C serum is just going to continue bits of those beautiful minerals, trace elements, and vitamins. So, answer, is that number gone down a little bit? What would you rate it at now? Like a 1. Perfect. See, so it's done exactly what I wanted it to do. We've got a little bit of aggression, if I'm allowed to use that word, just that initial shock, and then after it sets on the skin, it kind of calms down. So, are you on the moisturizer now? Triple firming cream. Triple firming cream. So she did, after she was done with the micro peel, she went into the cell renewal serum, which is the VD Curl line, and now she is on our triple firming cream. So our triple firming cream has 4 peptides. It's absolutely lovely. Very rating. They say it's for mature skin. It's one of our top anti-aging moisturizers. So you've got just a couple more minutes. Start rinsing and neutralizing.
it's a learning curve. Right. You don't always learn the first time.
Well, that wasn't that hard.
I mean, are in school twice, and I'm paying both of those off. I mean, I'll be in debt the rest of my life. So it's a learning curve.
Yeah, we learned. Some of us slower than others. But thankfully, my boyfriend, he stayed in the picture. We didn't end up getting there.
Yeah.
We ended up getting along great. And we're going to try something next time. And they're like, yeah, have a nice time.
Oh, that's- and he's the one that lives out.
He's
And,
the one, yeah.
yeah. Also, he must be being successful in the man.
Yeah, he's a senior. He's 25. He's a senior programmer already from that. So,
I don't understand that generation at all.
Seriously.
They're maniac ruling the world.
he was a kid that was obsessed with video games, computers, and he taught me around by the time he was like 8.
Oh my God, so not that person.
And I was like, oh my god, we live in my basement the rest of the time. And we got this like program to
Developed.
yeah, exactly.
Grew up.
It's the soft ball in your ends. It's soft for the cold region. Cold ends. The soft too. Yeah. You have temperature my lip more long. Hard is for a bikini. SL.
I like the 15. Sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. Yes, it's very
Like this. So that is the way you use it.
No need of fabric.
no fabric.
Fabric.
No. She does another one that you can fabric,
Okay.
but this one no.
Okay. Is it hurt the same way?
No, this is smoother than the regular one. Yeah. Pain. It's not.
Yeah.
You learn my speech. Yes. Thank you.
And she is the lady.
You're welcome.
Enjoy. Thanks. Is this an energy drink?
No, it's like a hormone and supplement drink for women. We do have an energy drink. We are not sampling it right now, but we have a drink for PMS support, hydration, and menopause support that we're sampling.
I think I need.
I'm gonna get this one. I also have hydration. Thank you. And then also some new process. What? Yes.
May I try this one?
Yes, please. Here, I'll help pour it in for you. This is our menopause support. So it helps with like hot flashes, and all our drinks are all natural. They're basically a combination of herbs. It's yummy.
I can feel and I can smell the herbs.
Yes.
It is. Try this. I'm sorry. Let me show you a.
One for 30, two for 50. Have you tried this? Come on over.
So buy three.
I charge you the discount.
So let me get 3 oils.
Which scent?
You have different scents.
Yeah, we are lavender, vanilla, and citrus.
Let me get the 2 lavender and 1 citrus.
Okay. Those are 48. You want how many? What is it?
So 2 of these,
Okay, two
3 oil,
lavender.
2 lavender and 1 citrus. We can make a whole new little patty.
Two lavender, one citrus.
Right? Right. You do a pedicure with them.
Yeah, you can. You can.
Squeeze and mash.
You drop some warm water. Now slowly, actually stick on your palm. And then now it becomes a spread. Okay. Spread out. Really gentle on top of it. Really gentle. Rinse that. That's gonna turn into lava.
What?
Oh, you watch. You feel it right away.
Nice.
Keep running.
Oh my god. If I give her that response,
That's right. Yeah, that's right. And keep rubbing.
it's very, very soft. I know. Oh, we're getting it.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you, it's yeah, can make everything.
Feel my hand.
Make everything.
Feel my hand.
Do you wanna try?
Baby's got
Yeah.
them.
Wow. And then you put the oils
Just
on.
like anything.
Okay.
Anything.
Okay, girls. get that. Solo. Oh, I want to have the vanilla. Alright, let me get up your pasta.
When it becomes a little bit there you go. Extra hard. There. Really gentle to the top of it. So, it to figure out how to apply
Okay.
to the pedicure. A lot of the store is the only scrub where it's not just an expense. You can retail these store and make revenue out of it.
Can they use your body?
Oh yeah. Go ahead, keep running, keep running.
Yeah.
Rub it all over there.
Whole body. Yeah,
It's soft, huh?
I can't. I'm live. I can't do my both hands. Can you do it my one hand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Squeeze and
Okay.
you just
Everything
add
is
just a few
people are
drops of
saying.
warm water. So kind of mash it in
Oh.
like this.
Wow. Wow. Scrub.
And
It's
then-
very good for the body. Actually
And
for
then
the,
gentle massage
especially
like
for
that.
the armpits. The summer.
Mhm.
The summer armpit. Massage is really good. You know that.
Now feel your
Wow. Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Sorry. Hi. Good. How are you? How you are feeling? Good?
Yeah, it feels good. Yeah.
How long you was there? How long?
For me, it was 25 minutes.
25
Yeah,
minutes.
but it's depending upon the treatment, some are shorter.
Okay, they check
Mine is
every
just-
skin.
I need a lot.
Okay.
I need a lot of treatment.
No, you are looking fresh. You are looking
I
fresh.
feel a little fresh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello. How do you feel?
Hi. I'm sorry, this is a massage treatment.
Yes, this is the massage table. This is this is a massage table. This is for infrared heating gemstone bath.
Okay.
Yes, it's with the 5 natural therapies. Yes.
We can spread it on our regular bed.
Yes, you can put it in a regular bed.
Regular bed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And if you like
I'm sorry about that. Keep going.
Check for more information. I'm gonna give you this for you because
Thank
we provide also for personal use and also for professional use.
Okay. Thank you.
Just come check it out. We have our store in the 38th and 7th Avenue.
Okay.
Here, we have these at the show. That's how easy it is. Great starter. Very flexible, very versatile. Opening up there.
I'm good.
That's the key thing. I have to bring the whole machine. I can't plug it into the thing.
That's a great one.
Сейчас не нажали, I picked it up today. I picked it up this morning.
Солнышко, я вместе с тобой смотрю, мне сейчас будет все делать.
Вот, and I thought it's now Thursday, and then the latter part of next week is January. Just so I can stop it for the next week.
Excuse me, which facial you guys are doing?
We're gonna do microneedling with radio frequency.
And it helps to reduce the wrinkles. It helps to reduce the wrinkles
Tightens the skin.
and tightness.
It's for skin tightening, so coagulation, tightening, contouring. It's good for acne scarring, wrinkles, things like that.
What's the duration of this facial?
It depends on what you're treating, but the average treatment for a full face is about 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to go a little slower today, obviously, so everyone can see.
Thank you guys.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.